What's up everybody, Brian, SoCo Customs. You know how it goes. Click that thumbs up and subscribe button. It has been a minute since we've done a Tire Tuesday video, but here we are with the highly anticipated Toyo AT3s.
Oh, it's got my head cut off. Hi.
It does.
Frames squat down. Hey folks, we miss you. We've missed you on Tire Tuesdays.
Yes, Tire
Where
Tuesdays.
have you been?
Not here.
Well, get with it. Tell these people about this dang tire.
This dang tire. The Toyo AT2 has been a great flagship all-terrain for Toyo over the years, but they definitely listened to customer complaints when they were designing these. I use the term complaints very loosely because much of it was just real nitpicking. So here's a picture of the old pattern. And here's the new pattern. They changed the design and added some more voids and more evenly distributed the voids over the entire tire. This helps in soft conditions, whether it be mud or snow. And on the old tire, the tread was pretty tight, especially over here on the shoulders. So these tires open that up quite a bit. Also over here on the shoulders, they have stone ejectors because nothing good really happens when stones and rocks are stuck in the voids of your tire. Also on these shoulders, they have this staggered lug, so that'll make it for better off-road performance, whether you're aired up or aired down. Another great thing about these tires is they aren't just mud and snow rated. They actually meet the standards to get the mountain and snowflake rated. So you're effectively getting a winter tire with these. All y'all that live in states with traction laws can rejoice with these. Let's move down to the sidewall. I think Toyo realized how much they were missing on the truck builder market by having a boring sidewall. These are by no means the monster truck sidewalls that you get with some mud tires, but they are far better than the last one. A lot of your builders that wanted to still run an AT so they didn't get beat up on the highway by their tires were like, yeah, you're going to make aftermarket sizes and end up with a sidewall like that? Nah. I'm really excited to hear the customer reviews on all these, but let's get into the nitty-gritty. They changed up the tread compound and the materials a little bit. This will get them better performance in wet conditions, is more resistant to punctures, and gives a much quieter ride. Hey guys, there are a lot of people out there that swear by these tires and just Toyo in general. They are a great tier 1 tire. I would encourage you to give these a second look, even if you may have written them off with the outgoing AT2 tires. Alright guys, thumbs up, subscribe, ask any questions in the comment section below, and that was another Tire Tuesday. I will try to make another one of these soon.